Hello, today I'm in Opel Vivaro. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this panel. To enable cruise control, press this button on the bottom. Now when cruise control is enabled, you can see that icon right here. Now accelerate to desired speed and then simply press the R button. R button activates the cruise control. Now you can increase or decrease speed by pressing the plus and minus button on the steering wheel. If you want to deactivate or pause cruise control, press the O button. If you want to reactivate it, press the R button again. To disable cruise control, set this panel to medium position. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.